So just a quick update on the sticky 2021 Fox transfer post. I did previously just remove the collar, seal carrier up, and then you can put some grease down. That worked for about a week, and then got a bit sticky again, so I decided to take it apart. Obviously this would be better done by a Fox approved dealer, but I'm not going to spend lots of money on tools. Hopefully this will keep me going for a little bit longer. What I did find was on the index pins here, they were a little bit corroded. Not much, but it was just forcing the pins out a bit, so strip that all down. So again, take the nut off, take the actuator off, and you'll see this at the end, and you can pull this outwards. You can remove these, take the pins out. One thing you have to be careful for, on here, just mark, there's a little ball bearing, 2mm. Definitely try and get that out, because I lost mine. So I had to buy quite a few just to get one. But never mind, it's worked. Yeah, give it a good clean. Obviously inside the tube as well, look for any damage down there. Re-grease with some shroud butter. Pins back in. You can buy these index pins, but make note there's little lines on the pins, so that denotes how thick they are. So you can replace the same with the same amount of pins, but if you go to the Fox website, there'll be part numbers. So yes, hopefully put this back together. Now I've got the ball bearing, and jobs are good. We'll have a look. Also, the little ball bearing, when you insert, has to be in line with the transfer logo. Also worth putting plenty of grease around the bottom of these things. They do corrode a lot. It's all built up, ready to go back in. Also, you want to torque the clamp. Don't overdo that, it will stick. So I think I'm 8 Nm. Hopefully, let's see if it works. Should get that nice clunk. Yeah.